Welcome to Jingrui Lock Machine. Today we will give you a new machine model introduction of JZ-5.9D for making the key Dimpling, for computer key Dimpling, deburring, chip chamfering, and laser marking and ringing. I will introduce the station one by one. This is the selectable vibrators. If you got only one model, we suggest to use the vibrators. But if you got many key models and always change models for processing, then we not suggest to use the vibrators. And after the vibrator, it will fall into the bus stacker, and then feeding to the first. This is the feeding station. The second is the dimpling station to making the key dimplings. And the next station is laser marking or pneumatic marking. This one is for pneumatic marking, and also we suggest to use the laser marking, which is more easy to make the adjustment to the fonts and to the size of the marking code. And to the next station, this station can can do two taps, meaning the tips or meaning the tip entrance, then making the two-side chamfering. It can do two taps, but each time it can only do one process. For this machine, they use it to make the tip chamfering, and then to the next station to scraping the brass chips, because after dimpling there will be brass chips inside the profiles. So we use cutters to scraping off the brass chips, and then waiting here. We can set 3 keys or 5 keys inside one rings, and after ringing it will unloading from here, and we got to finish the computer key from key blanks. I will show you the touching screen panel, and for each station we can set and we can close the function or open the function inside the touching screen panels. And also we can set the beating parameters, because the front and back, left and right, up and down are all servo motor control. So we can set the parameters in here. Also for the dimpling hole number and for the depth, you can set the parameters in here. The car depth parameter, and the car distance. It's very easy to make the adjustment. Also we can upload our own key combination code inside here. We can upload the files inside your USB files, and then insert your USBs and upload your files from the car numbers. And this machine is essential model for the key dimplings, and also the laser marking or the scraping or the tip chamfering. All these stations can be selectable. So if you got any needs for the key dimpling or key standard key or computer key dimpling, standard key cutting, you can find us at Jingrui8888.com, or check more machine videos at our YouTube channel. You can search for Jingrui Lock Machine to find more machine videos.